Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check your age on TikTok. So let's get started right away. I've got TikTok open here, so I'll press on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the screen here, and after that, if I go into edit profile, I won't see my age anywhere around here, and then if I click on the three lines at the top right here, and just go to settings and privacy, all of this won't even show you the age that you selected when you first signed up for the account. But it is just secretly hidden in a section of the TikTok application. All you simply want to do is when you are in your settings and privacy, select privacy, and then right under personalization and data, you'll notice the option to download your data. And then go ahead. You'll hit on that, which will take you to a page where you can download your profile, your activity, and your app settings, where you'll find the actual age you selected when you first signed up for TikTok. And then all you have to do now is select Request Data. You'll just have to wait a little while to be able to access it. Once that has been finished, you can download that data and it'll give you your age, so that you can see your actual age on the TikTok that you chose when you first signed up for the account. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.